time.
Mm.
You understand what
Yes,
I'm saying?
sir.
Whack. Them
But
niggas
also,
gonna
if
get
they
picked
all
by
show up
those.
and
They
the
still
dad
within
is
that
there
line.
with them, then it's kind of like,
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I done been to a couple funerals. I know damn well I wasn't supposed to be at.
That's right.
The perception is the perception. It is what it is, right? But the fact that he walked past that body
I'm telling
is just. If I was him
Break it down.
personally, knowing it's high profile, we ain't going through there
you. Hell no.
because we got to go through there one way, and even coming that way is going it's gonna look disrespectful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it
You know
seemed
what I'm
like a
saying?
I don't.
lose-lose situation.
Yeah, like, and
True.
then if the daddy just show up without him or the other one, it look crazy,
Now him and Jazz might go, but
Yeah.
Junior, fuck
bro.
no.
But see, if you do that, you kind of saying something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's either
you
all or nothing,
alienating
man.
Junior.
It's either all or nothing, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
we also
Cause you know
don't.
it
And
ain't
that's
like
only
them
because
being
of that
shit
footage
now, but
came
it's
out.
like
If that without that footage,
My
it probably would have
personal
been
opinion.
cool.
hey, he gonna have to
Racing.
check
So
in with
so
You know what I'm
now,
PET.
saying, T?
Yeah,
if
yeah. For
nobody
real.
show up, if nobody shows up, how the fuck do that look?
Mm.
It
Not
looked like
good.
it already looked.
Exactly.
Don't shit change. That's it.
We
Exactly how it
expected
look
them not
right
to.
now.
So bro, them boys walking straight into the goddamn
Nigga, they gonna start
event.
a riot in that bitch trying to
Mm.
attack his
On
ass.
you
God.
in Atlanta, bro.
Yeah, them
They gonna
niggas
be a
probably
shootout
ain't
like
gonna
them
make
Atlanta
it to
niggas gonna
that
cap that nigga, boy. Fuck about it. I bet you Drake won't yell Mount times no more.
Man,
I bet you.
if that
Did
nigga
you
go
hear
to
what you said on
Atlanta,
the album, nigga?
you know how many little cams they got in Atlanta that's gonna crash
Something
out.
like some official
Give me a little
news
Timmy,
dropping of what the
little
fuck
Timmy.
really happened.
I'm talking about the little hitters
Some
they in.
forensics evidence or some shit.
I'm just 50.
Nigga gotta have something to
I'm out here
fight.
60.
How many little Timmys they got in
You
Atlanta?
know it. I'm out here on my 60 shit. Man.
Shit.
Hey, but nah,
You
Wack though,
still
you
need a
feel
drink?
like Wack,
I,
you
Hey,
You
feel
ain't
like
had
T
no drink
Money,
all
I
this
check,
mean,
time. Y'all
that's
check
ain't
your
just
back
spoiled,
channel,
man.
that's
Y'all
T.
ain't
just
got
the
no
way
drink.
I feel about it. You know what
Y'all
I'm
ain't...
saying? Either all or none, nigga. If they show up without a motherfucker, it's looking
Mm.
crazy. And then now, nigga, look, it don't take long to, man, is that nigga really here without that nigga?
Hey,
Them Atlanta nigga put that nigga to sleep. Watch. What?
Putting
What you
aside,
say?
T Money, check your back channel, big dog.
They gonna have him screaming for mama.
I'm saying you think he gonna have to check in with QCP though, type shit for sure. I don't. You can believe a call already been made behind the
Yeah, that
scenes.
call already happened a week ago.
Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about before he
Hey,
come to the
what?
funeral
You
type
already
shit.
know what's gonna happen, right? If they don't show up, or even if they do show up, you know what's gonna happen. They finna get ate up like dog food. Ain't
What?
no talking. Ain't doing none of that politicking, man.
Nope.
I'm gonna tell you this though, this real shit, and this is some real shit, and it's gonna be a thing to see.
why that nigga ain't pull up to our shit though?
Look,
Hey,
I
hold
don't know,
on,
it's gonna
bro.
be
Hold
a
on.
thing
Let
to
Wack.
see. Look, bro, L.A.,
Mm.
New York, and especially Chicago. If this was the same situation, you already know what's gonna happen, especially Chicago. They
Mm-hmm.
wetting your ass up ASAP. Right, nigga. You think you finna come up here, nigga, you did right?
It's your
Just gonna
fault he
be
did.
curious to
Huh.
see how
Mm.
this
Yeah, I'm very
me
curious
Hey,
to
personally,
see that.
But nah,
it's
though.
too much attention right now. Like it's like you putting yourself in a situation where you gotta move looking super scary because if you go around some niggas extreme with a bunch of shit that don't look right, they gonna be looking at you funny.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
how
You know
this
what I'm
nigga
saying?
act already. So
Yeah.
shit,
Hey,
all he gotta do is just be there.
so you think
Mm.
Pete gotta definitely orchestrate all that shit then?
No, I mean,
I'm talking about
it's
for
only
him
you
just to
missing the
come.
point. There's only so much he can do with them little niggas, man.
It
I'm
depends if
telling.
if if Quavo feel like
That nigga just
like
lost
he
a
did or
family
they
member, nigga.
violated
real
too.
shit. It could be niggas
Quavo's gonna
who
Man,
be
ain't
at
even
the
his
funeral. You
family,
think you
gang.
want to see them motherfuckers'
It
faces?
ain't even gotta be
If he
niggas
at
they
the funeral,
family,
you think you
man.
want to see their faces?
and then
It depends what
unfollow, do
happened. Like
all
if
kind of crazy
like if
shit.
the only fault he is at is that it was his event,
Hey
okay,
yo,
that's kind of different.
hold
But if he
on,
felt, then that's
what?
different too.
You know all that unfollowing shit happened, all that.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Even Drake, you know that shit, man. That shit different. I mean, personally, bro, knowing that the police is watching and it's high profile
Hey,
and
and
they ain't
that's
really,
that's what I was about to ask you, bro.
yeah,
You think the feds gonna damn sure
Man,
be there
lady
to
finished
goddamn?
talking.
oh, they gonna
They
be
know the
at what
feds
you
will be in that
mean
circle, man.
for sure.
Them niggas might as well sit that one out.
I mean, it sounds risky, but to me, the only way to save face and go in the direction of not having an all-out war, which is looking like, is to show up and play that role, which a lot of niggas do when shit like this happens. They hug the mama, they kiss the mama, they pick the baby up, give their condolences, give up some money,
Nah,
a
That
bro,
shit
fat
ain't
nigga.
happen.
envelope,
Niggas
Nah,
gonna be
see
wanting
King
and
their
get the
John.
kid
fuck
back.
on.
See
That
King
shit
John.
ain't
You
happen.
thinking like a
That
civilian,
sound
bro?
like a
A
Exactly.
nigga look
1994
at that,
movie.
be done blew that nigga brains out right there.
Oh
Thinking
Go
he
ahead,
God.
hug
Yeah,
the mama,
niggas
bro.
want their
Go ahead.
kid back,
Hit that nigga
man.
with a switch, quick.
This ain't the
nah,
So,
nigga.
sixties.
so
I ain't gonna
not, but
lie.
I'm saying
If
not
you look
showing
at the
up, you basically saying fuck everybody.
but look
Fuck
though,
him,
if you
right or
look at
wrong.
It
the
depends.
balloon, not the
It
balloon release they had for Takeoff, bro. You can hear them niggas in the background talking about, bro, we gonna ride for you. We gonna ride for you.
Oh yeah, they
Them
gonna get them
niggas
niggas.
for real.
They gonna get them. Believe it. You better not show that shit, man.
Hey, but you gotta remember them boys from North Atlanta for real. They ain't like they from East Atlanta and
Nah,
all that
nah, nah,
shit.
nigga.
That don't
That's
make a
the
goddamn
Migos,
difference, bro.
nigga. Them
That don't make a
niggas in
goddamn
touched a
difference.
lot of niggas around that town, nigga.
I'm
Uh
telling
huh.
you.
A lot of niggas
Man,
love niggas.
regardless they North Atlanta, they still Atlanta, my niggas. They still family. So guess what? Them
Mm-hmm.
niggas gonna ride for them niggas, boy.
I'm
Hey,
telling you, it's some niggas
them niggas like
outside of
Ike
Atlanta
for the
want to
money,
ride
bro.
for them
Hey,
niggas, man.
Niggas in
it was
Charlotte talking about riding for them niggas.
Yeah, it's some niggas outside of Atlanta want to
Now
ride
you
for
see
them.
how
So
everybody
you
talking
know
about
some niggas in
riding.
Atlanta want to.
and then that
What
shit
them
was
it
niggas
on
in
was a
camera,
lot of
Charlotte
so
want?
you
setup.
know a lot of that shit pissed a lot of niggas off, man. Like niggas
Niggas
gonna,
in Charlotte want to dump
man.
on them. Shit.
It just
Especially
only
the
reason why
kind of
it pissed so
nigga,
many niggas off.
especially the kind of nigga Takeoff is. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Everybody
That's
got
what it
good
really
shit to
is.
say about him. So
Good shit. You know what I'm
like,
saying?
you
Yeah,
Good
know,
shit to talk
everybody,
about.
nigga. I ain't seen not one negative shit, nigga.
Hey, but
And
no,
then for how the nigga to die and how that shit was up, what that shit was over,
but
man.
no, it's
Man,
some.
that's fucked up, man.
I
They
don't
gonna do
think
the
Jazz
dad, and I'm
would.
telling you, they gonna get him because his family. Watch. They gonna wipe all them niggas' noses.
I wouldn't,
They gonna
I
try
don't
to
think
come
anybody
in.
else
They
gonna
gonna
Y'all
try
do
to
that.
niggas
come in
crazy.
and get
They
out.
might
That's what
get
they
out.
gonna try if they
The
do.
daddy got the sense to show up. It's the person that we know probably ain't trying to show up is June.
yeah, but it's gonna look crazy.
I
Yeah,
mean, I feel like him and
at
Jazz
this
would show
stage,
up.
I don't think that
The
nigga
thing with that,
even be
Look,
thinking of how some shit gonna look.
if Junior,
Real shit. But look, I can see
That
Junior
nigga
putting out
there,
a, I can see Junior put out a video of some shit saying
I don't
some
know.
shit. You feel me?
no,
That
bro. The
nigga
way
Before the
definitely
funeral, and I'm
gonna
saying
think.
before try to do something though. You feel me?
nah,
if
bro, the way
Junior
he
didn't
walked
do
by that
nothing,
nigga body, bro, he was looking for clout, bro. The way he
if
walked by
it,
that nigga body,
Oh,
it
Bruh,
ain't
nah,
shit he
if
can
nigga.
say,
Quavo
bro.
said that
Clout.
he said to that man,
Y'all
and
niggas
then
nigga, I'm
crazy.
talking
Chris
about
said
that
that
nigga
nigga
was
gonna make
finna
a
say he got
post or
fired.
something,
You
bro.
think
I'm
he
trying to
walked by
tell
that
you.
man on the ground looking for clout?
He should have been
Nah,
hit.